Are you someone who loves discovering unique and practical products that can make your everyday life easier, more comfortable, and even more enjoyable? Well, you're in for an exciting ride because today we'll be diving into a list of 5 amazing products that you'll absolutely want to check out. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Mini Sharpener. This compact yet powerful electric sharpening tool is built with a 96-watt motor that delivers steady performance while keeping energy use low. Designed specifically for grinding drill bits sized between 3 to 12 millimeters, it ensures precision and sharpness that lasts. With a no-load speed of 1350 RPM paired with a 100 mesh corundum wheel, it provides smooth and consistent sharpening results. The device is lightweight at just 1.4 kilograms, making it easy to move and set up on your workbench. It works on standard 220-volt EU or 110-volt US plugs and is CE certified for safety. Perfect for woodworking and DIY projects, this mini bench grinder is reliable, easy to operate, and an essential for keeping your tools in top condition. Number 4. Knee braces. Engineered with an exclusive spring knee support design, this compression sleeve provides stability and comfort for anyone dealing with knee pain or recovering from injuries. Featuring an anatomically contoured patella gel pad and double-sided metal spring stabilizers, it reduces pressure on the joint while maintaining full flexibility. The innovative fabric keeps your knee warm, reduces stiffness, and improves circulation to speed up recovery. With anti-slip strips, a breathable structure, and durable materials, it stays firmly in place all day without irritation. Whether you're dealing with arthritis, ligament strains, or looking for extra support during workouts, this brace offers unmatched comfort and protection. It's suitable for sports like basketball, running, tennis, or weightlifting, and can be worn discreetly under clothes for all-day relief. Number 3. Garden hose. This high-pressure expandable water hose is designed to take the hassle out of gardening and outdoor chores. Starting at a compact 2.5 meters, it expands up to 3 times its length under water pressure, making it ideal for spaces big and small. Once the water is released, it contracts quickly back to its original size, ensuring easy storage. Made of polyester fiber with a copper joint, it's durable, flexible, and resistant to twisting, kinking, or tangling. Whether you're watering your plants, cleaning your car, or washing outdoor surfaces, this hose is lightweight, maneuverable, and built to last. Available in multiple sizes ranging from 25 feet up to 100 feet, it's a must-have for anyone who values efficiency and convenience in their gardening routine. Number 2. Hose reel. A perfect companion for any air compressor setup. This retractable hose reel offers a 10-meter length with automatic rewind functionality. Made of a combination of sturdy metal and durable plastic, it's designed to withstand regular use in workshops, garages, or commercial environments. Its swivel bracket ensures flexibility in installation, while the quick coupler system allows easy connection with air tools. Compact at just 22 by 7 centimeters, it saves space while providing easy access to your compressor line. With a bright red design, it's easy to spot, reliable, and an excellent choice for anyone looking to organize their tools and improve workflow efficiency. Number 1. Bike saddle. For cyclists who prioritize comfort during long rides, this retro-style bike seat is a game-changer. Constructed with high-density, high-rebound sponge padding, a PU leather surface, and a carbon steel seat bow, it combines durability with maximum comfort. The wide design with shock absorption technology reduces strain, making it perfect for mountain biking, city commuting, or long touring rides. At around 1.2 kilograms, it provides solid support without being overly heavy. Its versatile build makes it compatible with mountain bikes, electric bikes, folding bikes, and even exercise bikes. Available in sleek black or brown, this saddle not only enhances comfort, but also adds a stylish retro look to your bike. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.